When you're tight on space but want to keep supplies on hand, here's a quick solution for storing all of your wrapping needs. This is just a standard storage bin, soft-sided storage bin from IKEA that I got to go in a Calyx system. Just the small one. They'll fit any Calyx cube. I happen to have the short ones because I have sloping ceilings and can't go any higher. So I have found that the Calyxes with their cubes are the best way to store a lot of stuff. I have them for things like yarn and things like that, but it's worked great for wrapping paper as well. I had tried solutions before using plastic drawers and things like this. This ended up being the best way to do it. So what I ended up doing was in this box, I happen to have a supply of cards and bags that I've collected. Either I've bought or reused gift bags. And I have wrapping paper and also tissue paper. And what ended up working well is that I took a gift bag that actually is the width of this. I did one for the larger bags, and then I also did one that holds all the smaller bags. If that's what I'm looking for, I can just take this out and go through all my smaller gift bags for what it is that I'm trying to wrap. For the more delicate paper goods like tissue paper and even smaller pieces of wrapping paper, what I ended up doing was getting some heavy-duty Ziploc freezer bags. And I keep them open. It doesn't even need to close. But what that allows me to do is to sort my tissue paper out, and I did it by color, so this is obviously all my Christmas stuff, and then I have a supply if I need it of well, still got more Christmas stuff, but of other colors that I might need, you know, for other times of the year when you want to give something that's a little springy or, you know, things like that, and put those in a separate bag. Then I've got other stuff that is, you know, patterned wrapping paper and tissue paper that I might want. And what the plastic bags do is, aside from letting me divide things up to organize it by color and type, is the plastic helps keep it standing up straight. It slides better, and it protects the tissue paper from being crinkled and ripped with any friction from being taken in and out of the box when I'm using it. So this allows me to basically store all of my supplies. The only thing that doesn't quite fit in here are any bows and ribbons, and that I actually have in a different bin with tape and with my tape and stuff like that. So really, two of these boxes handled what I've collected in terms of wrapping and things like that. So now if I know I have an event coming up where I need to wrap something, I can go in and I can look and see what I have, and you know, and you know, clearly I don't have to get anything for a while, but it will also, you know, it's a good way to know. It keeps all my stuff in one place, so that way I can go and look and see and make sure that I don't need to go out and I'm not out of cards or anything like that. So this is just a quick way to store your wrapping supplies in one place and as compactly as possible, without, and in a way that will protect the more delicate elements of gift wrapping, so that way they can be moved around and stored and not damaged in the process.